I wanted to share this amazing thing that I do most mornings. I found bone broth to be extremely beneficial to support my immune system and heal my digestive tract. So we all know that leaky gut is a real thing. The lining of our digestive tract becomes damaged for a variety of reasons. Stress, food, pesticides that are sprayed on our food. I eat organic at home, but I don't always eat at organic restaurants. There are ways that we get exposed to toxins that damage our digestive tract lining. Bone broth is amazing. It's got lots of nutrients, collagen, good fatty acids, a little bit of protein, and it has this amazing healing property. I put different things in it to flavor it different ways. Today I put some turmeric in it. I actually have this stuff that is like a seasoned salt, but it has ground up organs. It adds some extra nutrients to it. It's warm, refreshing. This is awesome because it's very warm, hearty, and it gives you that really satisfied feeling. I have found that it's replacing my morning coffee, which has always been a thing that I love. But I love this instead of coffee some mornings. I wanted to share that with you. I'm excited to start drinking this morning.